What's up guys, welcome back. Today's video is part 2 of water tricks, except we're gonna be using some alcohol, water and oil. Okay, first experiment will be with water and cognac. So I'm gonna pour some water in here and cognac in this glass. All the way. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set the glass of water on top of cognac over here, and I will open just a tiny space in between two glasses like this here. Okay, now let's see what happens. Look at this, guys. These two fluids completely replaced each other. That's pretty cool. You guys let me know, why do you think this happened? Alright, let's do the same thing with oil and water. I'm gonna pour water in here and I'm gonna color it as well, like that. And I will pour oil in this glass, like that. And I will set this glass of water on top of the oil. Alright. And we'll do the same thing as we did with alcohol. Just open a tiny space in between two glasses. Like this. Watch this, guys. See that? The same thing happened. These two fluids completely reversed each other. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what happens if I take the card completely away from here. Look at this. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this experiment and I'll see you next time. Okay, and now I'm gonna set this glass of water on top of the cognac. Right, let's do that. Like, oh, no way. We'll open just a tiny space in between these two. Like that. And see what happens. And now watch what happens. So for some reason my experiment didn't work again. Everything is blended and nothing is separated.